Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add text-to-speech in CapCut on your mobile. And for this I click on my project that I already created, and from here we click on text. Then from here click on add text, and right now write something like help me out. This is fine. Then click on the screen and then click on accept, and right now they're standing help me out. Right now, if you can see, there's an option here in the bottom where it says text to speech. Right now, if I click on that, you can select the voice that you want to use. Now let's check Santa.
Help me out.
Let's go. That one is great. And if I'm doing the accept button just like here, and I play my own video now.
Help me out.
And welcome to this video.
Let's go, guys. We just added something with help me out that we select in the option to do. And this is exactly how you can add text to speech in your CapCut edits. All right, if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.